Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's Soji Lotus and I'm back with another video. So yes, I hope you all are staying safe and being healthy, staying inside, drinking lots of water. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And yeah, so let's get right into it. So we're gonna make a two-piece pantsuit and the face mask to match. From this pretty Chanel fabric, you're gonna use your favorite jeans to make your pattern, and you're gonna chase it around just like that. And that's what you should have. That's the back piece, so you're gonna cut two pieces just like that. And so you're gonna do the same thing for the front. So that's what you should have after you cut out the front piece. And now I'm just cutting out the waistband. And that's all of pieces for the pants already cut out. So now I'm working on the top. Just look at what I'm doing and just do the same thing. And you're gonna need two pieces. And now I'm just cutting out some strip for the top, because our top's gonna be mostly straps in the back, or only straps in the back. So we're gonna need 3 pieces, just like that. So you need 2 wider pieces and a smaller piece, and there are 2 pieces for your boobs. So we're just gonna stitch all the sides, and then you're gonna make a casing so you can push this strap through. Before you do all of that, just stitch this right here, just like that, and just to both sides. So you're gonna start running your string through this casing. I already did one, if you can see. And I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. And now I'm gonna cut out this pretty little mask. So we're gonna be matchy. So that's our pieces cut out. You're gonna need 4 pieces of interfacing. So yeah. So now you're gonna just sew this side and stack up the bottom right there, and do the same thing for the other side. And that's what you should have after. And then you sew all this way around. Don't forget to insert your elastic.